And we bring you a big investigation, a big breaking news by India Today's OSINT team. Well, it seems we are asking who is this mystery woman whose photograph Rahul Gandhi showed. So Rahul Gandhi's mystery Brazilian voter is actually all over LinkedIn also, with multiple professional profiles. The same image, which was originally captured and published by Brazilian photographer Matheus Ferreiro. So the woman is not Matheus Ferreiro, but it was captured by that photographer over 8 years ago, has been repeatedly used on professional networking site like LinkedIn to create fake profiles of professionals. The model's photo has been freely available online for over 8 years and has often been used as a generic symbolic image of a woman in various blogs and news articles. And joining us right now is India Today's Ankit Kumar. Ankit, a generic photo used in voter rolls. This is quite shocking.
Well, Anjali, without getting into the complete merits of the allegations put forward by LOP Rahul Gandhi, we did a visual search of the picture, the supposed Brazilian voter in Haryana, who, according to Mr. Gandhi, has voted at least 22 times in Haryana Assembly elections. What our primary investigation has led to is, first we wanted to check, we live in the day of AI. We wanted to check whether this could be an AI generated picture or not. What we can confirm to our viewers is that this is not an AI generated picture. The model is perhaps real, and the first footprints of this of her digital presence was seen at least 8 years back in Brazil. The name that featured in LOP's press conference was not that of the model, but that of the photographer. Now, what we can confirm is there are at least 11 LinkedIn profiles which has used the same picture that was shown today at Mr. Gandhi's press conference. You have profiles ranging from a software developer in Mumbai to somebody who's working at Meta to somebody who's working out of Washington, D.C. to Los Angeles. So multiple profiles. It has been a very generic, symbolic picture to an extent that multiple popular news platforms have used this picture as a symbolic picture of women. So it has been in circulation on internet, predates the generative AI era, at least 8 years old. We have reached out to the photographer. We are waiting for a response from the photographer to confirm the nationality of the model. This person actually exists in real life. Probably from Brazil, but this picture in question, perhaps in all probability, Anjali, has been downloaded from internet and has been in circulation for at least 8 years now.
Right. So quite clearly, as you were pointing out, the name that was referenced in the press conference by Rahul Gandhi, first, that is confirmed, is of the photographers. That we have confirmed. And this photograph is more of a generic photograph that is being used. So could it be possible that we look at, as you said, pre-AI era, Creative Commons, free to use, copyright free pictures, those are the places or the picture banks that people were accessing?
Chances of, if you go to Google looking for a license-free or a Creative Commons picture of a woman, chances of you finding this picture is much more higher. So if there is somebody who is just looking for a generic picture to kind of mingle between, mingle in the crowd, chances of you stumbling on this picture on Google Images is much more higher, and hence we are saying that probably somebody has used internet to download this freely accessible picture, which has been in circulation for at least 8 years now, and then somebody would have used this picture as a generic picture. We don't know what the intention, that is perhaps something for the Election Commission of India to answer, but the origin definitely seems to be from Brazil. The name mentioned in Mr. Gandhi's press conference is not that of the model, it is that of the photographer.
Right. Thank you so much, Ankit. This is actually quite shocking revelation. 8 years ago, a photograph was clicked. A woman who has dark hair, looks a little Indian, and it is being used extensively in India. And as India Today found out, even LinkedIn profiles with this woman picture actually exist.